Hello teachers, and welcome to this training on integrating the Microsoft Reading Progress app into Schoology. By now, you have probably realized that Reading Progress is a valuable resource for helping our students improve their reading skills. What I want to show you now is how to integrate Reading Progress into your Schoology course so that you and your students can seamlessly use the Reading Progress app. In this lesson, we will look at how the teacher creates the assignment inside of Schoology. First, open your Schoology course. Then, click on the Add Materials button. In the right-hand column, scroll down until you see the Teams Assignment app. Click on it. An Add Materials window will open, and you will be asked to connect a team so that you can link your assignments and grades to Schoology. Click on the Next button. You will see a list of your team's classes. Select the team's class you want to connect to. In this example, I will connect to the Reading Progress Assignments class. Now click on the Save button. Then click on the Next button. You have now linked your Schoology course to your team's class. Now you're ready to add a Reading Progress Teams assignment. Click on the Create button. Next, click on the Assignment option. Enter a title for your assignment and instructions for what you want your students to do. You will probably want to edit the title and instructions after you create your Reading Progress assignment. Now click on the Learning Accelerators and select Reading Progress. You can add a reading assignment by generating a passage using AI or browse the sample library. Let's try the AI option. A Generate Custom Passage window will open. You will complete the form by selecting the topic, age, number of words, and language. Watch how this is done. Now click on the Generate Reading Passage button. AI will generate a reading passage. Notice that you can increase or decrease the complexity of the passage. If you are satisfied with the generated passage, click on the Use Passage button. You will see a preview of the reading passage. In the right-hand panel, you can add more information that will help you track student progress. Be sure that the Reading Coach option is selected. I also encourage you to add a comprehension piece. When you turn on comprehension, you can generate AI questions or you can add your own. Click on the Generate Questions button. Decide how many questions you want generated, then click on the Next button. Be sure to review the generated questions and decide whether or not you want to use these questions. When you are satisfied, click on the Next button. At this point, you can adjust the title and instructions for the assignment. In the right-hand panel, set the due date and add the number of points you want the assignment to count. Finally, click on the Assign button. You have successfully created your assignment in Teams. However, there are still a couple of steps that you must complete in Schoology. Return to the Schoology tab. Click on the Refresh button to complete the link to Schoology. Make sure your assignment is selected and then click on the link button. Your students will now be able to access the Reading Progress assignment. Next, click on the Option button and select Edit. Click on the Enable Grading checkbox. Add a grading category and select a due date. Finally, click on the Save Changes button. This completes this training on linking a Reading Progress assignment to Schoology. In our next lesson, we will look at how students will access the Reading Progress assignment.